What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Elaina, aka Lady Smash, and today we're gonna have our potato party. I have a little guest with me today. You wanna say hello? Come say hello. Y'all,
hello.
This is my grandson Kai. You heard me right, my grandson.
One of many. Called Zakai.
Zakai. Yes, his name is Zakai. We call him Kai for short. But he's going to be my little helper today, y'all. We are going to have this potato party. So, yeah, if you want to see how many potatoes we're going to get out of this harvest today, definitely stick around and join us. If you're new here to the channel, welcome. Again, my name is Elaina. And I have this little garden out here in my backyard that I started. I started gardening last year. So this is my second year gardening. And this year I'm trying a lot more different things, and potatoes is actually one of them. So it's finally time for us to go ahead and harvest. I've been waiting for my little guy to come and visit me all week before doing these potatoes. So he's going to be my little helper today. And we're going to find out just how many potatoes we've actually gotten out of our couple of potatoes that we planted a few months ago. So let's take a walk down to the garden and go get these potatoes. Thank you. All right, you guys, so we have our potato bin right here. We are ready to throw this down and see what our harvest is going to yield. So let's turn it over, Kai.
Sit. Ready?
We're going to do it this way, forward like that. There you go.
Woo!
Oh, look, there's potatoes.
Oh, yeah! Potatoes and radishes.
How cool. How cool is that? Oh, be careful. How cool is that? Come over here so you can be in the camera. Come over here. Yeah. Woo! All right, come on, let's pick them out.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, how cool is that?
Oh,
sorry.
Throw dirt.
No, I don't want it in the dirt. That's why, on the grass. That's why we put this down, okay? So we're gonna keep the dirt on this green thing, okay, please? Thank you. Just pick out all the potatoes. Look at all the potatoes here. Pick them out and put them on the side. Let me
I'm
get
gonna
a
dig
bucket.
to see if I find any.
So we're gonna put our potatoes in here, okay? It's so cool.
I did the potatoes.
I know, but some of the potatoes might be on me.
A purple potato. I've never grown a purple potato.
This potato's a little squished.
Yeah, that's a rotten one. He didn't make it. Look at how cool, you guys.
There is like a lot of ants in this.
Yeah, it's gonna be ants. That's why I wanted to keep everything on this green thing here.
Got dig a little bit.
There's another one.
This is so cool.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, careful now. Careful, Kai, please.
Okay.
Oh, look, there's one right there, Kai.
Yeah, there's one right there.
He ain't worried about the potatoes.
It's starting with the roots.
Yeah.
The potatoes might be on
There's
top.
one there. There is.
Oh, there
Keep
is?
going. Keep digging. No.
Look at that.
There's another one there.
Ah.
Let's keep digging. She might be sitting up. This might be it.
I see one little.
Oh, there's some tiny ones.
Let's get the little ones. The little ones are the hard ones.
Okay.
Once
so
I'm here.
let's show them what we've got. This thing is breaking. So here's the harvest, you guys. Not bad for the first time. For the first time planting potatoes. Super excited about that.
What
So-
are these for?
Please don't play with these, son. Yeah, so that was pretty good. And I have my little helper here that helped me out. Hey.
My favorite one.
Let's do a let's hold them up for the picture. Take one.
Take two.
Okay, take two and hold
Take
it up.
three.
You can only hold it.
Okay,
We're gonna hold it up to
third
the.
one.
Okay, that's fine. Hold it down just a little bit for the thumbnail.
Not big, honey.
Perfect. Thank you so much for helping me.
Yeah, awesome.
All right, you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you had a good time here today with us at our potato party, and we will see y'all in the next video. Sending y'all a love. Okay. Sending y'all love and light and happy gardening. See you next time, guys. Bye.